Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can open recently closed tabs in Safari on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to write your comments after watching this video and put your likes. So friends, let us get into this topic. First of all, open the Safari application itself. Now when you open Safari, you'll need to open the original page. To do that, you're going to need to click right down here on the right-hand side on this sign. And this is where you'll have a lot of tabs or no tabs, whoever. But in order to open the initial Safari page, click the plus sign. And it will take you to a page like this. Next, friends, there will be some favorite sites here, and for example, where you go most often. Also at the bottom will be like some of your most recently viewed tabs, sites, and so on. And you should have a section here with closed tabs. But if you, like me, don't have one, then I suggest you go to the bottom and scroll down. Click Edit. And check here to see if you have this recently closed tabs option active. If it's not active and it looks like this, then I suggest you activate it. And in the future you will be able to see all the recently closed tabs on your Safari. This is how you can easily see and open recently closed tabs in Safari on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to put your like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you, friends.